In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sweep. NURBS in Cinema 4D. A sweep takes two splines and turns them into a 3D object by carrying a cross-section shape along a path. Picture drawing the cross-section of a cable, then telling Cinema 4D to trace that shape along a curve to form the cable itself. To make this work, you need two splines, one for the path and one for the cross-section. Start by creating both splines using the spline tools. For the path, use something like the pen tool to sketch a curve, or pick a preset like a helix if you want a spiral. For the cross-section, choose a simple shape such as a circle or rectangle, or draw your own small profile with the pen. It helps to keep scale in mind here. The cross-section should be sized relative to the path so the final object isn't unexpectedly huge or tiny. Naming your splines clearly, like path and profile, makes the next step easier to follow in the object manager. Next, add a sweep object. You'll find it among the generator objects. The sweep is what combines your two splines into geometry. With the sweep created, go to the object manager and drag your two splines onto the sweep so they become children of it. The order here is important for correct geometry creation. Place the cross-section spline as the first child under the sweep and the path spline as the second child. In other words, the profile goes on top and the path goes just below it within the sweep's hierarchy. If the order is reversed, the result can look wrong, twisted, or even disappear because the sweep expects the profile first and the path second. Simply make sure the hierarchy reflects that order, and the geometry should appear immediately. Once the splines are in place, Cinema 4D generates your sweep on the spot. Orbit around the scene to confirm the cross-section follows the path smoothly through every bend and curve. If you used a closed path, you'll see a continuous loop. With an open path, you'll get an open sweep that follows the path from start to end. Keep an eye on how the cross-section sits relative to the path. Its orientation and size determine how the sweep flows along the curve. That's all you need to build a clean sweep. Two thoughtfully made splines, a sweep object, and the correct child order. With that foundation, you're ready to shape elegant cables, pipes, trims, and more.